Prevent your jeans from shrinking.
Hey everyone! Today, we're going to discuss a common dilemma that many of us face. How can we prevent our favorite jeans from shrinking when washed in hot water? Jeans shrinking can be a real problem, especially if you found that perfect fit. Let's dive in and explore some solutions.
Why do jeans shrink in hot water?
Before we delve into solutions, it's important to understand why this happens. When jeans are exposed to hot water, the fibers, typically cotton, contract and tighten. This is especially true for jeans that haven't been pre-shrunk. Heat causes the fibers to contract, leading to that dreaded shrinkage.
Can you really prevent the shrinkage?
Yes, you can. There are a few tried and true methods to help keep your jeans in top shape. Here they are. 1. Wash in cold water. One of the simplest solutions is to avoid hot water altogether. Cold water is gentler on the fabric and can significantly reduce the chances of shrinkage. 2. Turn jeans inside out. This not only helps prevent fading but can also minimize direct exposure of the fibers to the water's temperature. 3. Avoid overloading the washer. Giving your jeans some space can help them move freely and reduce the stress on the fabric. 4. Air dry. Whenever possible, avoid using the dryer. The heat from the dryer can cause jeans to shrink even if they've been washed in cold water. Instead, let them air dry naturally. If you need to speed up the drying process, laying them flat in a well-ventilated area works wonders.
What if my jeans have already shrunk?
Oops, so the damage has been done? Don't worry. Here's a quick fix. 1. Soak in warm water. Fill a tub with lukewarm water and add a tablespoon of baby shampoo or conditioner. Soak the jeans for about 30 minutes. 2. Gently stretch. After soaking, while they are still damp, gently stretch the jeans in the areas they've shrunk. It's a good idea to wear them as you do this to stretch them to your body shape. 3. Air dry. Again, let them dry naturally, avoiding any heat sources. There you have it. With these steps, you can confidently keep your jeans from shrinking and even rescue those that have fallen victim to hot water. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep rocking those perfect fitting jeans.